What's going on here? Well, I'll tell you. I'm making a special St. Astro themed cocktail just for you. A little rum cocktail called Rumming Away. Since our first show of the year is going to be at a distillery, Grainology Brewstillery to be precise, I figured I'd make something nice that you can make at home. Check us out Saturday, March 29th at Grainology. Without further ado, first thing you want is a little aged rum. We're using El Dorado, 8-year. 2 ounces. Up next, ½ ounce liquor 43. Then, ½ ounce of lime juice. Fresh squeeze if you can. After that, 2 ounces of passion fruit juice. You can find this at any grocery store. Pour some ice in. Then shake the hell out of it. My eyes are up here. Add a little lime twist. And to top it off, a little bit of bubbles. Cheers. Damn, that's good. Hope to see you guys at our next show, Saturday, March 29th, at Grainology Brewstillery in Batavia, 7 o'clock sharp. See you there.